Gradelink makes it easy for you to transition from one school year to the next. At the end of each final term during a school year, such as trimester 3 or quarter 4, you'll conclude your classes and mark the term as inactive. Then, select Copy Term Classes to move all classes from this school year into the upcoming one. Make sure the box labeled Keep Students in the Same Classes is unchecked, so you don't accidentally enroll students in the same classes they took last year. Mark the new term as active, and you're ready to go. You can promote students from one grade level to the next via the Student section. The Promote subtab offers an easy-to-understand, step-by-step guide for promoting your students and moving all graduated students to the Alumni category in the system, quickly archiving their data for you. If you make any mistakes, remember that alumni records are always available and can be easily accessed by filtering your student view from All Active to Alumni.